Now let's see how to add date in a given PDF file. So we can see there is no date here at the top, neither any date at the bottom, neither any date at the top again, neither any date at the bottom. So suppose you want to add the date at the top of the page. So to add the date, click on tools, then click on edit PDF here, then click on open. Now we can see header and footer option. So click on header and footer. Now click on add. Now we can see a header and footer dialog box appear on your screen. So we can add date at left header, at the center header, at the right header, at the left footer, at the center footer, at the right footer. So let me click on the right header. Now to add the date, click here, page number and date format option. Now we can see the date format option. Then you can choose any of the format given below. Let me select this format. Then click OK. Now click here to insert date. We can see the date format has been inserted here. Then click on OK. We can see the date has been added. So in this way you can add date at each page. So to remove date, click on header and footer. Then click on remove option. Then click on yes. We can see the date has been removed. There is no longer date on each of the page. So in this way we can remove date from a page. Let's see how to add date on even pages only. So click here, then click on add. Then suppose we want to add date at the center of the header. So click here at the center of the header. Now click on page number and date format. Let me select the format. I am selecting this format. Then click OK. Now click on insert date here. We can see the date format has been inserted here. We can also change the color of the date, like let me take red. Let me increase the size of the date. Let me it to be a 16. Let me change the font. Let me underline the date. We can also change the margin a little bit, like at the top, at the bottom, at the left, at the right. So the date will look like in this format, and this is the preview of the first page. We can also check the preview of the second page by clicking here. Now let me show you how to add date on odd page or even page. So click here on page range option. Now you can select all the page or page from which we want to apply. You can also select subset. Then click here to select the subset. You can see even pages only or odd pages only. Let me click on the even pages only. Let me click OK. Let me click OK again. We can see there is no date on the odd page. This is the first page. We can see the date is here on the second page. Again, no date on the third page. Again, date on the fourth page. Again, no date on the fifth page. Again, date on the sixth page. So in this way, you can add date at odd and even page according to your choice. Let's see how to add date on a particular page. So click here on header and footer, click on add. Then click here on the center. Then click on page number and date format. Then select any of the format. Then click OK. Then click on insert date. We can see the format here. Now let me increase the size of the date format. So let it be 16. Let me change the color. Let it be red. We can see the preview here. Now click on page range option. From here, we can select the page on which we want date to be printed. So we can see all pages are selected here. Let's select pages from, let's give 1 to 5. Then click OK. Then click OK again. Now we can see the date on first page, date on second page, date on third page, date on fourth page, date on fifth page, no date on sixth page, no date on seventh page. So in this way, we can add date to a particular page only.